People ask me a lot, is it okay for me to crack my own neck? The real question should be why do you keep needing to crack your own neck? So those people who do it find they only get about half an hour of temporary relief. And the more they do it, the shorter the interval. By cracking the neck yourself, all you're doing is giving yourself some temporary relief from the symptoms. What a chiropractic exam will show is what the real underlying cause is that's causing you to need to crack your neck every half an hour. And when we find what that is, we can start treating it properly.